More than 50 years of determination to produce the very best long shaft set has made the KKK Group a premier manufacturer of long shaft sets, which are renowned domestically and internationally, including in ASEAN nations and South American nations. The company's production process exceeds international standards and employs engineers with extensive expertise. We are one of the largest manufacturers of long shaft sets in the world. Our continuous product development emphasizes efficiency, conservation, and environmental friendliness in order to allow members of society to benefit. This is why our products are always well received by our numerous customers. Our manufacturing process is systematic and methodical, with the utmost regard for details and finesse, starting from the selection of high-quality materials for construction of various components to the formation of propeller molds. Once a suitable mold has been selected, work proceeds to the next step, which entails welding together various components. Every part of the manufacturing process is integral to the creation of long shaft sets. Every part of our manufacturing process, including selection of raw materials, molding, and assembly, is subjected to the strictest quality control, testing, and evaluation to ensure compliance with set standards. Our expert testers serve as model customers from the initial stage of manufacturing to the final stage of delivering our products to customers. Each long shaft set is comprised of engine housing, axle, engine base mount, grip or handle, long shaft, engine base, propeller. With our readiness in terms of manufacturing capacity and efficient personnel, we are ready to rapidly meet the demands of domestic and international customers. This makes the long shaft sets of the KKK Group widely accepted at present. As part of our intent to manufacture products that can help boost productivity and improve the livelihood of end users, the KKK Group surveyed customer satisfaction to receive input on the needs and opinions of people who use our products. The information we obtained helped us refine our products to more closely meet the needs of customers in a dynamic society that is experiencing fuel shortages, rising demand for the transportation of increasingly heavy cargo, and development of new reduction engines by manufacturers. These factors are challenges that the KKK Group has consistently overcome through the company's team of experts who are responsible for analyzing, designing, and developing long shaft sets that can continuously respond to changes and customers' demands. These sets include long shaft sets specifically designed for reduction engines. The sets are fuel efficient, easy to use and maintain, and capable of propelling vessels carrying heavy cargo. Knockdown long shaft sets that were developed to be easy to transport and store. These sets can be conveniently conveyed to any location while still maintaining their capacity to propel vessels. Knockdown long shaft sets have no significant differences from regular long shaft sets. Our propeller blades were forged at 180 to 220 degrees Celsius to sustainably increase durability and aesthetic form. All of these products are the pride of the KKK Group in our capacity as a leader in long shaft sets. We will continue to invent and develop our products to continuously respond to the demands of our customers.